everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. We have the 2022 Amazon Beauty Advent Calendar. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell because that is the only way to be notified of all upcoming holiday collection and advent calendar unboxings, and there are so many cool ones to come. Today we will be unboxing the 2022 Amazon Beauty Advent Calendar, and guys, I'm super excited about this one. This is valued at over 670 Australian dollars and is retailing for 150 Australian dollars. Now, I'm sure you've heard of Amazon or shopped there before. They literally have everything, and I'm super excited about this one because they really have a good mix of sizes and product variety. It's meant to include brands like Foreo, L'Oreal Paris, Biore, and more. Looking from last year's review, this one is supposed to be one of the best-selling calendars and is very highly anticipated. So if this is the calendar that you want to get, I'll leave a link below on where you can get it. Based off of last year, this one's gonna sell out pretty quickly. The packaging is a super cute pink box, and how it works is you take a box from underneath here and the next one just drops down. The concept and design is quite cute and unique and very different from other advent calendars. Let's start, shall we? Okay, starting with number one, we have the Bath Effects Nourishing Leg Mask. This is full size, 65 grams, and is apparently a pair of leg wraps with shea butter and coconut oil, which is obviously super nourishing. This is retailing for $9.95 Australian dollars at Target. I've never heard of this brand before, but it's apparently single use and summer's around the corner, so it doesn't hurt to have smooth and hydrated legs. On to day two, we have the Rimmel London Scandalise Volume On Demand Mascara in 001 Black. Our second item is also full size at 7 mils and is retailing at Chemist Warehouse for $15.99 Australian dollars. Rimmel always do really lovely mascaras, and this one is supposed to be their volume one, which is clump free, smudge free, and flake free. On our third day, we have the Burt's Bees Advanced Relieve Lip Balm. This is full size and super amazing for dry lips. I actually have really ridiculously dry lips all the time, so this kind of product is one that I actually need. Burt's Bees have always been famous for their lip range, and this one is infused with antioxidant-rich turmeric, so I'm super excited to try this one. It's retailing at Big W for $7.95 Australian dollars. For our second row, we have day four, which is the Biore Blue Agave Pore Strips for Combination Skin. This one is full size and all four products have been full size so far. This is one of those nose strips that you use to clean your blackheads. I've actually used Biore nose strips before and love them, but I haven't tried this one in particular. There's 6 strips inside and I'm happy this is in there because it's something I'll definitely use. This is retailing for $7.29 Australian dollars at Priceline. Next we have day number 5. We have the Grande Cosmetics Grande Lash Enhancing Serum. This is our first mini at 1 mil. After unpacking so many advent calendar boxes with lash enhancing serums, what makes this one different is that it's compatible with contacts and lash extensions, both of which I use, so that's super handy. This is retailing for 34 Australian dollars on Amazon. Last of this row is day 6, which is another full-size product. This is the Bath Effects Exfoliating Foot Peel. This is our second Bath Effects product, and this one is packed with vitamin E and lavender oil, which is supposed to remove dry, cracked skin from your feet, eliminate calluses and dead skin. So apparently you'll see softer skin within 2 weeks. I'll be excited to try this one out just because I've never tried a foot peel before, but there's been so much hype on TikTok about them. This one is retailing at Target for $9.95 Australian dollars. On to the next row, we have day 7, which is the Essie Apricot Cuticle Oil. This is another full size and it's got apricot and jojoba oil in it. It smells incredible, you guys. I've only ever had cuticle oil applied to me during a nail salon experience, but I suppose it doesn't hurt to have this at home too. This is super handy and I for sure will be using this one. It retails for $8.99 Australian dollars at Priceline. Next we have day 8, which is the Colgate Optic White Pen. This is another full-size item. So this is actually a super easy to use whitening treatment for your teeth that you use overnight. So it is enamel safe, but I am always super wary of products that are whitening for the teeth because I have sensitive teeth. So I'm not sure if this is the product for me. It is retailing at Amazon for $17.50 Australian dollars. Last of this row is day 9. And we have the Weleda Almond Soothing Facial Lotion. This is full size at 30 mils and is a fragrance-free lotion for sensitive combination skin. I haven't heard of this brand before, but this lotion is centered around the use of organic almond oils to restore the skin's natural balance and enhance the protective barrier. This retails for $28.95 Australian dollars on Amazon. Onto our fourth row, we have day number 10. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss Hydrating Gloss in Ice. This is another full-size item, and it's a really cool gloss because it's infused with hyaluronic acid, which we love and know is super hydrating. This is in a very nude shade and is retailing for $10.49 Australian dollars at Priceline. The next day is day 11, and we have the Garnier Fructis Aloe Vera Hair Food Hydrating Shampoo Bar for normal to dry hair. Now, this is another full-size product. We've consistently gotten full-size products with the exception of day 5. It's been super refreshing. Now, this item is actually something that I own and have in my bathroom right now. And if you've ever come across this item, you will know that you can smell this scent from outside of the box. And let me tell you, it smells incredible. Funnily enough, I got this as a gift before and I haven't had time to use it, but now that I have two, I probably will finally get to give this one a go. It's a shampoo bar and I've never tried something like that before. It'll definitely be an interesting one. This retails for $9.18 Australian dollars on Amazon. Last of this row, we have day 12, which is the Avène A-Oxidative Antioxidant Defense Serum. This is our second mini, and this is a serum that is packed with vitamin C and E. The only product that I've tried from Avène previously has been their Thermal Spring Water Mist. It was a long time ago, and honestly, I remember loving it, but I haven't had a chance to really try any of their other products. This is retailing for $23.20 Australian dollars on Oz Hair and Beauty. On to row 5, we have day 13, which is the Grown Alchemist Regenerating Night Cream. This is our third mini, and as mentioned before, Grown Alchemist is actually a brand that I've always wanted to try. In the last video, we received their gel cleanser and I was super excited to try it. This is the Regenerating Collagen Night Cream, and it is packed with peptides, vitamin A, C, and E, antioxidants, and hyaluronic acid. It's meant to be a very intense night cream and has been said to be the holy grail of night creams. It sounds really promising and I can't wait to try this one. You can buy the full-size version for $80 Australian dollars at Adore Beauty. Next we have day 14 and we have the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara in black. This is a mini, it's 4.9 mils. And honestly, at this point, I have so many mascaras and I have extensions in, so I don't think this is the product for me and I could have done without it. This is apparently great for sensitive eyes and is a volumizing mascara. Full size retails for $12.99 Australian dollars at Chemist Warehouse. We are up to day 15 now and we have the Carmex Limited Edition Neon Cherry Jar. This is another full-size product and I love that it's in their limited edition flavor. I've tried Carmex lip products before and they're generally quite hydrating. This one is SPF 15 and is in their best-selling cherry flavor. This retails for $5.49 Australian dollars at Chemist Warehouse. Our next row is day 16 and it is the Bioderma Sensibio Gel Cleanser. This is another full-size item and it is a soothing micellar cleansing foaming gel. Loving the texture of gel cleansers, and this is fragrance-free, soap-free, and also hypoallergenic. This one retails for $16.66 Australian dollars at Oz Hair and Beauty. On to day 17, and we have the Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink Liquid Lipstick. This is another full-size item, and it's in the shade 015 Fire and Ice. This is a very fun coral pink shade and is packed with vitamin E and blackcurrant seed oil. I love my liquid lipstick and this one is supposed to last up to 16 hours with the promise of it being crack, transfer and fade proof. I can't wait to try it. This one retails for $15.99 Australian dollars at Chemist Warehouse. Next we have day 18, which is the OPI Nail Envy Insensitive and Peeling. This is a mini and it's not a nail polish, it's actually a nail strengthener. It's meant to be for weak nails that tend to peel. You apply this like regular nail polish and it's packed with calcium, vitamin E, kukui nut oil, and aloe vera. The full size retails at Maya for $34.95 Australian dollars. On to the next row we have day 19, which is the OGX Coconut Milk Shampoo and the OGX Coconut Milk Conditioner. I am so glad that they put both these into the one day. They are both travel size, but I always like it when advent calendars put in a shampoo and it comes with a matching conditioner. Now this is a brand that I have tried before, but I have only tried their argan oil range. Coconut milk is always super nourishing, and this is meant to be hydrating and strengthening for your hair. It smells incredible. I can't wait to try this. It's retailing at Big W for $6 Australian each. The 20th day is giving us the Thayer's Witch Hazel Facial Toner. This one is also a travel size, but I actually have the full size in my bathroom and use this. For a long time, one of my friends swore by this product, and I finally went and got it, and I actually really love it. It's super gentle, it's alcohol-free, has aloe vera and rose petal in it. This product has a very loyal customer base, and I can see why this is a very popular toner choice. This retails for $28.95 Australian on Amazon. On the 21st day, we have the Sukin Hand and Nail Cream, and this is another full-size item. This is a non-greasy light cream that strengthens nails and is packed with aloe vera and vitamin E. It's also paraben-free and perfect for all skin types. This one is super affordable and retails at $5.49 Australian at Priceline. We are on to the final row, and number 22 is the Natio Gentle Foaming Facial Cleanser. This is another full-size product, and this one contains sandalwood, shea butter, calendula, rosewood, jojoba, and lemon. This one smells quite intense and very strong, so it might not be for everyone. This is meant to be quite low foaming and has essential oils which help your skin from being stripped. This retails for $15.95 Australian at Maya. Second last box, on day 23, we have the Palmolive Hand Sanitizer Mist. This is another full-size product. Truth be told, I've only ever tried the Palmolive hand liquid soap and they smell amazing. This one actually has a lavender scent, and it's quite strong. I'm not really a fan of lavender. I kind of wish it came in a lemon or a citrusy, fruity scent. However, I do believe that hand sanitizer mists are really handy to carry around in your bag or for traveling. This one also has natural essential oils and is non-drying. This one is quite affordable and only retails for $3.50 Australian at Woolworths. Last but not least, we have the 24th day, which has the Foria Luna Fofo Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Now this one is obviously full size, and they really did save the best for last. We knew from the beginning that there would be a Foreo product in there. We just didn't know which one it would be. But I am glad to see this one in here, because I used to have the Luna Mini 2 and also the Luna Play. Those are different to this one. One is bigger and one is smaller, but they all worked really well for me. So obviously I have been a Foreo fan for a while. The main difference between them is the Luna is charged through a charging device like a plug, and this one is actually battery run on AAA batteries, which they give you in here. And the Luna Play, it doesn't have any batteries, no way to charge it. It just runs the course of its life. But yeah, I really loved all three of them and so glad to see this one in here. Okay, so this is the 2022 Amazon Beauty Advent Calendar. What did we think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. So I actually counted, and there were 2 travel, 5 minis, and 17 full-size products in here. Oh my gosh, 17 full-size products. I don't actually think I've seen another advent calendar with that many full-size products. Super cool, right? So obviously the brands on offer here are less high-end branded compared to the brands, say, in a Cult Beauty box or Net-a-Porter box. Nevertheless, I still think that I understand why this was so hyped up last year, and I can totally see this being a hit this year too. Also, the price of this box is a lot more affordable than some of the other boxes, even though they have higher end products in minis. So I do overall really enjoy this box, and I think with the inclusion of Foreo device in the last day, it was worth 2/3 of what you paid for the box in just one item. So it made it really worth it. And I thoroughly enjoyed the range and variety of products that were on offer, because it made me want to try some of the things that I never thought of before. If this is the calendar for you, I'll leave a link below on where you can get it. Based on last year's response, it is highly anticipated and will sell out quickly. So it is still currently available, but I would not wait around if you want to get this one. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!